with his contract being said that it's expiring at the end of the current season, he can now sign a pre-contract with a club of his choice, which will then see him leaving, Mamelodi Sundowns for free at the end of the season. So this therefore puts Mamelodi Sundowns in a position whereby they have to get something out of Khutso Mudau's services. And they know that failure to do that, then the player will sign a pre-contract with the club of his choice. And then Mamelodi Sundowns will then lose him for free at the end of the season, after all the investment they've made on the player. And we also know that